Start preparation for more than 50,000 questions. With this preparation series, build your career with computer. Preparation for computer operator with 50,000 questions answered. First question. The writing method in CD-ROM is called A. Copying, B. Burning, C. Embedding, D. None of the above. And the answer is burning. Second question. The system date is in data format, A. ANSI, B. British, C. American, D. International. And the answer is American. Third question. Which of the following terms is most closely related to auxiliary memory? A. Non-volatile, B. Permanent, C. Both A and B, D. Temporary. And the answer is both A and B. Fourth question. Which of the following is not a type of ROM? A. DROM, B. Flash memory, C. EPROM, D. Virtual memory. And the answer is DROM. Fifth question. Which is considered as the direct entry input device? A. Optical scanner, B. Mouse, C. Light pen, D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Sixth question. Which is not a characteristic of computer? A. Speed, B. Accuracy, C. Diligent, D. Understanding. And the answer is understanding. Seventh question. Intelligent PROM stands for A. Programming read-only memory, B. Programmable read-only memory, C. Package read-only memory, D. Programmable read-on memory. And the answer is programmable read-only memory. Eighth question. Which of the following is not a mass storage device? A. CD-ROM, B. RAM, C. Hard disk, D. Tape. And the answer is RAM. Ninth question. In computer, all calculations are made in unit. A. Control unit, B. Memory, C. Arithmetic and logical unit, D. Register. And the answer is arithmetic and logical unit. 10th question. Which of the following memory has the shortest access time? A. Cache memory, B. Register, C. Auxiliary RAM, D. External hard disk. And the answer is cache memory. Subscribe to continue the learning and preparation.